Yo, what's up my fellow devs, and welcome back to the shop. Today we're going to take an overview look at how to view our morph targets on our characters. Now, if you don't know what a morph target is, it's basically a mesh deformation that is stored as like a bunch of vertex positions. So it allows you to simulate facial movements and you know, different things like muscle deformations and things like that. Another name for them would be blend shapes. So the character that we're going to use is actually a temporary character that I created in Adobe Fuse. And the reason why I'm using a Fuse character is because they already come with pre-made morph targets or blend shapes for every character that's created in that program, which makes our job a lot easier when you get to the stage of you know, dialogue or whatever the case. So to view that, if you see here, I have my character, and if I go over to my actor, which is set, I called the character Riley. If I go down to my animation graph, it's missing a file. So what we're going to do is click over here to bring up the graph. We're going to File, Open Actor, and we're going to open up Riley, which has the motion effects actor. Hit OK. You see there she is there. Really quick. So if I bring it down on her face so we can get a good view. If I go to view morph targets, let me see, I need to place this. Actually, let's click that there and do that. So as you can see, we have a whole bunch of built-in morph targets here for the jaw, the mid-mouth, the mouth, everything. So if I was to click on all of these so I can manipulate all of them, I can do the upper lip, and you know, she got a little swag on her, you know what I'm saying? You know, and so we can do things like that. You know, the other side, each side works. If I wanted to get to blink, you know, a lot of potential in, you know, bringing your characters to life in this manner. So yeah, go ahead, and if you're using Adobe Fuse, go ahead and export a character and get it rigged up on the Mixamo website, and make sure that you have all that set up. And once you import it into Amazon Lumberyard, just make sure that you have an actor, and you create actually open up the animation editor, open the actor, and yeah, you can play around with the morph targets. Well, I hope you guys enjoyed this quick tip, taking a look at how we view our morph targets or blend shapes. Again, I will have a future video where we access these values through the animation graph for more refined and advanced use. If you guys enjoyed the video, let me know below in the comments. If you have any questions or comments, you can do so down there as well. Don't forget to join the Discord if you want to get in touch with me after hours, so to speak. Or if you just want to join the community, talk about your projects, learn about what others are doing, I can do that as well. That link will also be in the description below. Other than that, I hope you guys are having a very dope day. I hope you guys are prospering in your projects. And until next time, keep developing.